I was 20 and a brand new Marine, fresh out of all my basic training and moving on to being an electrician/generator operator in Camp Lejeune, North Carolina. My family was so happy and proud of me, they supported me all the way. I had the mindset of most Marines that our drill instructors instilled in us. Pain is weakness leaving the body. I thought of this a lot over the years that followed. My class was a month into our instructions and had a month to go. We were into our pole climbing course, which seemed to be the hardest. The last time I went up the pole, the spikes attached to my boots slipped. I fell 7 to 10 feet straight on my back. The next week, I fell face first from the top bunk into the carpet. I dislocated both my shoulders and landed with all my body weight on my face into the concrete. My next 2.5 years in the Marines was the most difficult time in my life. Every day, I would get harassed. Everyone told me I was faking and that I shouldn't be a Marine. It was harder than boot camp. I pushed myself not to show weakness with all the pain I had, but it seemed no matter how hard I tried, the more my higher-ups would single me out and the worse I felt. I felt myself slipping into darkness. I was thinking suicidal thoughts, especially after my sexual assaults. Ever since getting out, my focus has been getting my mind, body, and spirit healthy. My family has given me a place to live, food to eat, and gone to treatments with me to understand why I am the way I am now. I'm an advocate for veterans, military, and their families, mainly focusing on suicide prevention and military sexual trauma. My goal is to help people that aren't able to speak and fight for themselves, like my family did for me.